Okay, in the first video about this stuff here, I had the batch operations. Well, that was causing a lot of issues due to the fact that OIM API is still JDK 8. Everything here now is using JDK 21, Spring Boot 3.2.5, and all the REST services. The problem was I was having to call the separate jar file to do all the batch work. So I decided in the end to just redo that whole thing in Spring Boot 2.5, drop it all down to JDK 8, and then I can just call the APIs directly from there. So I'm going to refactor all of that, and I'll have that ready, and I'll post it when I'm done. So what I did here was just carry on the initial view operation. So now I added the view scheduler, job history, and lookups. So the first video will cover these here, and then the view. So we can view the scheduler, we can look at all the jobs. So anything that has the word entitlement, here's the entitlement list job. So you'll see the basic information, the task it's based off of, the parameters, and the last 10 execution histories. If you go to this, you can see in failed status, and you can view the details and see the stack trace. And this here job history is for today. It's a 24-hour period. And the same is true here. So that's the job history, the lookup. So let's do triggers. Those are in there. So if we find a lookup, we can see the user process trigger. Everything in here is a change value pretty much, so you can see them all this way. So this is what's in the lookup values. Okay, so you can see policies, applications, roles, scheduler jobs. You can't schedule anything. All of this is view only. You can see job history, failures. You can see the stack traces. You can see, go and look around and find lookup values. And so that's pretty cool, all with the REST services. The Java API is still much more robust than that. You couldn't really use the REST services to do all that stuff that we were doing with the access policy. So that's why I'm having to roll it back. So when I get that wrapped up, I'll do some videos on that and I'll post the code. Okie dokie.